Can't this thing see any farther?
Nope, that's as far as it sees. What can I see with my telescope? That's a question I see come up all the time. Um, and a lot of times people even say, how far can it see? And the answer is all the way. It can see all the way far. Light travels forever. So if you've got something big enough and bright enough, you could see it 13.8 billion light years away. Anyways, the question that needs to be answered is, how small a thing can you see with your telescope? What is your field of view? And that's measured in your that relies on a bunch of different factors, mainly your optical performance, your aperture, the quality of your optics, the size of your optics, the quality of your eyepieces, the quality of your camera. There are a lot of things that go into what you can see with a telescope. But a good place to start is figuring out what is going to fit into your field of view. Because when we're talking about amateur astronomy, we're not really concerned with how far away you're seeing. We're only concerned with how much of the sky, the thing you're looking at, is filling up, and that's measured in degrees, minutes, arc seconds. How much of the sky is your object filling up? And the easy thing is that there's a ton of software that can do this for you. You don't need to look up figures and figure out measurements and things like that. I use Stellarium. It's free. On the PC, it's a bit of a resource hog, so you're probably not going to run it on a junky old laptop out in the field while you're imaging. But it's a good thing to have on your PC at home for planning out your sessions. And what you do is input all of your equipment into it. You can go to settings here in the top right, and you can put all your equipment, your eyepieces, your lenses, your camera sensors, your telescope characteristics, and it will drop a field of view on your screen. Hi, Link. What can I do for you? Yeah, sure. It'll drop a field of view onto your screen, and then you can use that to see what is going to be fitting into what you're looking at. This is my field of view for my Canon 5D III, my Edge HD, and my Celestron 0.7 reducer. That's what's going to fit in that field of view. I think I'm going to do the Triangulum Galaxy tonight. I think it's over here somewhere. Yeah, this would be the way it frames up in my 5D III if it's in portrait orientation. But yeah, I use Sky Safari on my phone. There's all kinds of apps. So just download a planetarium app, put your stuff in. My kids really need some help right now. Yeah, honey. Put all your info in there, and it will show you what you can see in your telescope. It's real easy.